by pressing a keyboard key, or combination of keyboard keys, that provides direct access to particular function in a computer, is called as keyboard shortcut. Let's see some of the keyboard shortcuts of Mac. Press Option plus brightness control key to open display preferences. Press Option plus mission control key to open mission control preferences. Press Option plus any volume control key to open sound preferences. Press Option plus Command plus F5 to display accessibility options. Press Option plus Command plus number 8 to turn zoom on and off. Press Option plus Command plus sign to zoom in the display. Press Option plus Command plus minus sign to zoom out the display. Press Control plus Option plus Command plus period to increase contrast. Press Control plus Option plus Command plus comma to reduce contrast. Press Control plus Option plus Command plus number 8 to invert colors. Press Control plus Function key plus F2 to move focus to menu bar. Press Control plus Function key plus F3 to move focus to dock. Press Command plus Mission Control key to show desktop. Press Shift plus Command plus Delete to empty trash with confirmation dialog box. Press Option plus Shift plus Command plus Delete to empty trash without confirmation dialog box. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers